Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to Netty's Amazing House. This is what I'm working with this morning. Chai tea. I try to drink this tea first thing in the morning. Add a bit of lemon juice to it. And before I have my coffee. How you doing? How you doing? Welcome to Netty's Amazing House. How are you doing this morning? My water is hot. Look at this. That's what you should be doing. Exactly this. Clear your mind. Erase all those unnecessary thinking. One bag in. Hot water. I'll drink this. I'll have this first and then I'll have my coffee with my 7 crackers. So how you doing? Me bless, you bless always. No matter what you're going through, no matter how you feel, always bless. Then I had lemon juice. Finish. That's it, the last drop. Remember guys, always think positive. Clear your mind from all negativity, all garbage. Close the door on them. I'll have my tea. As a matter of fact, guess what I'll be doing today? Let me find the butter. Got my butter from the freezer to be thawed. And hopefully today I'll be baking something delicious for you guys. Have a blessed day, guys. Now, time to start baking. Baking, 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 baking. Today, I'm baking a lemon pound cake. Let's get started. Okay, guys, I'm putting my recipe together. 1.5 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt. That's my dry ingredients. So that's 1.5 cup all-purpose flour plus 1/2 teaspoon baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon salt. I'll be using salted butter, so that's why I only add 1/2 teaspoon salt. I have my 4 eggs right here. And this is 1 cup sugar, which I'll crack. So remember guys, to crack your eggs in a bowl. Do not crack it in your mixture. Next thing you know, you have eggshells. And we don't want to bite in a cake. And then we'll be hearing cracking eggshells in your mouth. Things do happen. 4 eggs cracked and ready to go. About 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. So this is about 1.5 tablespoon lemon. About 1/2 lemon to my milk. I want it to be buttermilk. Time to start creaming. So this is 1 cup of butter. Which I'll begin creaming. Now I'll add in my 1 cup sugar. Remember to always clean the sides. I want the butter and the sugar to become fluffy. So now I'll add my eggs in 1 at a time. 4 eggs, 1 at a time. Now we have to scrape, because guess what? This is just like a pool of eggs. And remember to get down to the bottom and scrape as well. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla. 1.5 tablespoon lemon zest. I'll scrape in. Now half of my dry ingredients. And half of my buttermilk. This is milk mixed with about 1.5 tablespoons lemon. You don't want to over mix, so the remainder of my dry. Plus the remainder of my milk. So now I'll finish the mixing with my hand. Nice light snack. I know my rascals will enjoy this. Remember to scrape the bottom of your pan, make sure everything is combined. You can even see the zest, the lemon zest. The pan I'll be using, and butter. Make sure you get in all that nooks and crannies area. And now I'll add about 1 tablespoon of flour. Just to dance it around the pan, because you want to make sure your cake come out easily out of this pan. Now we're gonna dust out this remainder of flour. I'll just scrape my cake in my pan. $350, timer 40. My cake is ready.